Yeah, we welcome you to PSSB with me, Richard, here. Yes, and today we are looking at this question. It says that what is meant by resultant or net vector? It is a single vector having the same effect as two or more vectors put together. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that consider the vectors below. We have A, B, C, and D. And they say identify which of the vectors above are equal. And they say explain. So which of these vectors are equal? Vectors to be equal, they have to have the same magnitude and the same direction. So when you look at this one and this one, obviously they are not. At this one and this one, they are not. But come to think about A and D. They are pointing in the same direction and almost they are equal. The length is proportional. So what I'm going to say here, answer is A and D. What is the explanation? Our explanation is that they have the same magnitude and the same direction. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that consider the diagrams below showing forces acting on a box. And they say calculate the net or resultant force acting on each. Yeah, the first one is this one. Yes, what is the net force acting on each? Okay, when you look at this case, we are going to assume that this side is positive. It's advisable that you take right positive or up positive. But that's not a law. You can take any other direction positive. Yeah, but let us take this side positive. I'm right-handed. I prefer that side positive. So how many forces do you have there? We have two. And if you have two, what are you going to say? You are going to say F net or F resultant is equal to F1 plus F2. If we take to the right positive, it means that those forces which are towards the right hand direction are positive and those towards the left hand direction are negative. And that one must be substituted here. So what are you going to say? We are going to say that net force is equal to F1. So if you take this one to be F1 and this towards the left, we are going to say it's negative 6 plus 4. Okay. And what do we get out of here? We are going to get negative 2 newtons. Okay. And what does negative 2 mean to you as a scientist? It means 2 newtons to the left. Yes, we'll come to this one. Yes, we are calculating the net force or resultant force on this object. And like we said, Suppose we take the side positive. Then the formula says, what does it say? It says that F net is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. And what is next? Next is substitution with their signs. Those towards the right-hand direction, they are positive. And those towards the left-hand side, they are negative. Yeah, so what I'm going to have here, negative 6, because it is towards left, plus 3 is positive, plus 2, plus 4. Yes, what you get is going to be our net force. So on simplifying, what do we have here? We have negative 6 plus 9, giving us 3. That's positive 3 newtons. And positive implies what? Positive implies to the right. So the answer is going to be 3 newtons to the right. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says calculate the net or resultant force acting on this. Okay, what do we do here? Okay, this is what we know. We know that F net on this diagram is equal to, you can say F1, F2, F3. So it's going to be F1 plus F2 plus F3. Yes. Next, what do? We do the substitution. Our F1 is 3. Our F2 is 4. Our F3 is negative 5. Yeah, why? We took upward positive. So all the forces which are acting upwards are positive, and all those which are acting downwards are negative. So from here, what are we going to get after simplification? We are going to have, this is 7 minus 5, giving us 2 newtons. And we need to know that positive implies upwards. So what are you going to say? The answer is 2 newtons upwards. Yeah, then we come to this one. And what do we want? We want to get the resultant or net force. Okay, suppose we also take upwards positive. So what are you going to have here? We are going to say F net is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5. Next, we substitute. Yeah, F1 is 3 plus 2 plus 4. Then plus negative 3, because it's acting downwards. Then plus negative 2. And what do we get here? So on simplifying, we get 9 minus 5, giving you 4 newtons. And it's positive 4. And remember, we talk upwards positive. So positive implies upwards. So what are you going to say? The answer is 4 newtons upwards. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Yes, we urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.